Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. For you new guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we're about to get into something real tasty. And for you guys who have been here already and it's part of the family, let's get it because you already know what it is. Okay, so today, as you probably see by the title, this is a Walmart mukbang. You hear me? Walmart mukbang, yeah. So today I went to Walmart. They have like their own little deli kind of thing. I don't know, something like that. But they had chicken and stuff like that. So I got everything fried because, you know, who doesn't love fried food? So I got cheese sticks, jalapeno peppers, potato wedges, because you know your boy, and 3 different kinds of chickens. And I got a whole bunch of them, like a whole bunch. I just, you know, threw these on here just so it can look cute and I can be like, thumbnail. Ooh, yes. Am I moving too fast? Okay, so let's jump right in because, baby, I'm hungry. Oh, I cheated. I ate 2 of the on the way because I wanted to try it hot. Haven't ate this. It's a cheesy jalapeno pepper. So good. Oh my gosh, that is really good. Let me jump into this chicken. I think it's just like a regular chicken right here. And then something spicier than a ranch chicken. So let's try this. And this is blue cheese dip. You know I had to get the blue cheese dip. Look at this. Oh. Okay, Walmart. I see you coming through, huh? Somebody was in the kitchen today, I will say that. That's to the end for dessert, I got cookies. Dip a good potato wedge in there. You know what? I forgot my water. Again, you know how I do. I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna edit this up because I'm working on my editing skills. Watch. Yes, the Sonny with the drip honey, because I need a sip. Or a gulp. Okay, this is really, really good. So I'm gonna jump to this ranch one because I want it really bad. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna let that. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is a cheese stick. Sorry, you guys. I've been, enjoying my day today, and I'm so hungry. Even though this is cold, so I forgot to have my eyes closed this whole time. Walmart, I really give it to it. This is like banging. It's just him. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Everything's good. I don't give it that. This is so freaking tasty. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Y'all know how I feel about chicken. My two favorite foods, potato and chicken. This is a little spicy. Mm. I just don't know how these right here. These need to be a little warmer. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna have to eat these up. Let's dig into some more chicken, honeys. Who's flats and who's like a drummy? You know what I'm saying? I enjoy flats, but I think I like drums so much better. I don't know why or what it is, but I really enjoy it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mr. Potato Head. Mm-hmm. Mr. I am so greasy all over my pad. As you guys know, I love short shorts. Yeah, I did that. Let me dig in to another ranch one because these ranches are these are off the chain. These are like the Rita Cool Ranch. Really good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Walmart, I give it to you. That's all. I'm giving it to you. That's delicious. I really, really enjoy that. I recommend it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just like a fast food joint. Like it's banger, and they got these good cookies. I don't do too much cookie stuff on here or sweets on here, but if anybody who really knows me knows that a chocolate chip cookie is the way to my heart. You hear me? Definitely with the great recipe, and I like them soft and chewy. Okay. Ooh, I hate crunchy cookies. Mm. I'm just gonna sit here. Mm. I don't know how to act. This is That was him. I really enjoyed that. I was hungry and I really enjoyed this. So thank you, Walmart. And which I don't say too often, so don't get used to that. But I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're new and you really have enjoyed my mother show, you know, channel, you know, atmosphere, vibe, energy, feeling, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Let's chitty chitty bang bang. And if you really enjoyed, go hit that like button. So guys, I want to thank you so much for your time. Have a beautiful moment, because I don't know which moment this is. So, loves.